In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic brightness on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, you need to open up your settings. After that, scroll down for a bit and get into accessibility. Now hit on display and text size and there scroll down to the very bottom, and the last option on that display is auto brightness. Now it turned on, that is default setting, and in order to turn off automatic brightness you need to disable that option. So now you are able to open up your control center and change the brightness level depending on specific situation that you have right now and depending on how much brightness you need at that moment. And if you want to turn on auto brightness again, you need just to hit on that option again, and the brightness level now will be set automatically. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.